Oh, you're out of gas? What's up, guys? So we have the 5.0 chilling right here, but behind us we have Mr. Matt P's 2-valve that's gonna get his fenders rolled. It's gonna be like on the new Edge Mustangs, they're actually not rolled at all, the fenders, and they stick out a lot. So if you guys have a wide sidewall or a wide tire or spacers on it and it spaces out your wheels a little bit, you hit a bump, it's gonna rub. My tires got cut up really bad once. So what Matt's doing is getting his fenders rolled by the homie, and we'll check him out. You kind of want to get him paper thin, but hey, just a note for any 2-valve owners, yeah, it's I'd highly recommend it if you guys want to run a bigger tire size. Right now we're headed to Abraham's house. We got some crazy stuff, but Matt just got his fenders rolled by the homie Rolling Fender. I'll put his stuff in the description right here. I'll put his information on the screen. But we're headed to Abraham's house right now, and if you guys don't know, Abraham's GT500 2013 through 14 GT500 has just gotten Whipple supercharged, and it has a Lund E85 tune now. It's fully tuned and should be running Cherry. We're thinking it should be maybe pushing 900 horsepower, give or take. I don't know if that's kind of to the wheels. I mean, it's kind of hard to say. It has a big pulley on the car, but it is a 4-liter blower, so it's pushing out a lot of displacement. But we're headed there right now. We're gonna check out his car. Maybe he'll let me drive it, but I'm telling you, this car is a beast. It's full bolt-on E85. It's no slouch, to say the least. And so we're gonna go check it out. I'm looking forward to that. And then we do have some more mods planned for the 5.0. I know I've been really lagging in mods for this car, but we have the homie Pipes Exhaust helping the SVT out, and we're gonna be putting some 1 7/8 long tube headers on this car. As you guys know, this exhaust is a bit quiet. It's not the loudest. It's a Borla Sport by Ford Performance, and it's not the loudest per se. Like when you get on it, you can definitely hear it, but idling and whatnot, it's really hard to tell. So with the long tube headers, I think it'll be more of an even kind of symphony. That's how the Cobra is. The Cobra has long tube headers with Borla Stingers, and the Borla Stingers sound really good. I honestly love the way those sound. I had the Attacks before, a bit too loud in my opinion, and they just, after driving every day, it got really annoying. So we with that, we're going to be getting some more exhaust for this car. Should sound really good. This car has a Ford Performance Eggs pipe with the Borla Sport catback, and there's only one exhaust pretty much, or 2 exhausts made to fit this specific rear end, because this does have a 350 valance. And so the fake, if you guys don't know, all 350s are like this though. There's an exhaust, and the exhaust goes into the fake tips, essentially. That's how it works. So with that, there's only a few exhausts made for it, and I didn't want to do another catback. I wanted to obviously get some sort of performance gain out of it, so that's why I went with headers instead. As you can hear, you can kind of hear it has a little pops here and there. It's definitely on the quieter side, but I think that with some headers, it'll wake it up for sure. And we're gonna get some work done and do it obviously at my house or Abraham's house, and nonetheless get some extra volume out of this car and maybe some performance gains. I don't know if I'm gonna tune it quite yet. Obviously it is recommended to get a tune with it, but for now we're just gonna chill on that, because the Cobra is getting a lot of work done, and you know, I gotta balance where I want to put most of the funds. And when the Cobra's back, she should be running Cherry hopefully, and we'll go from there. That's why I've been kind of lightly modifying this, if anything. And I know that a lot of people have been wanting to see the stickers off the car, which I do plan on doing. I'm thinking I just want to get a cool theme. I do want to wrap the cars, both cars to be honest, but we will see. But we are almost to Abraham's house right now, and we're gonna check out his Whipple GT500. So we will see you guys right when we get there. So we got the boy Matt P's 2-valve. Fender's all rolled, right? So
I think it sounds fucking a little different, you know. I think I had it.
yeah, no, you guys definitely need to roll your fenders on.
No, real shit though, bro. I think that vibrating noise kind of went away.
Yeah? Who knows? Maybe it did. But
not like all the way away, but it kind of did. Why you always gotta show the bad side?
Oh, my bad, my bad. Why? Good side right here?
Bad side, the fucking.
Okay. We got the good side right here.
Go to the front.
Check out. Okay, so Matt, what do we got right here, man? What do we got? This red thing, this red device right here. What do we got right here?
I don't know.
Mr. Abraham SVT in the house with the Yukon with his 10-car garage. He needs a 10-car garage. I say. See, we got the truck, Fox. The Shelby, man. Finally a clean garage. Oh, there's your wheels.
I missed those.
So we got the GT500 and should be really fast. It's on corn now, so it should have that good sounding.
Should be.
We'll check it out.
Jeez, those are
The Ford Stars, yeah. This is the drag set that Abraham's gonna put on this GT500, and nonetheless, it looks badass. How the tires holding up. You got some life left in the Toyos. I know those kind of wear out kind of quick.
The starter's kind of like weird.
It's gonna take a while because it don't burn as hard. The corn start, man.
It never used to start like that.
Yeah, no, it's because the corn takes a while to like burn, you know? So wait, you spin in second gear now all the way? Damn. That's what Matt was telling me. Let's see if we can smell it. It smells like corn for sure. It smells like shift sector. Damn. Dang. Whipple GT500, bro. I can't believe it. Oh shit. How much power you think?
I think a good 850, 900.
850 to 900. It's about a good estimate. Dang. Little pops? More or not? Kind of the same.
Nah, look. We quieted it down a lot.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, it's idling a little different maybe. Drives mellow like stock though, like it don't feel like it's Whipple or nothing, like just normal driving. Oh shit! That oh my god! And you probably weren't even giving it all beans.
Nah, I'm just gonna go easy.
Oh shit! Oh my god, bro, that thing hauls. Holy shit! Like it doesn't stop though; it keeps going. Like I thought it would stop, but then it goes at the top end. Oh shit! This thing don't play.
It doesn't even feel like I look.
That's fast.
The number didn't hit like 100 or something.
Oh my god. Oh man, you don't even grip now. That spins it bad. Oh shit. God. So, how much boost you think? Like?
I think I'm like, well, we'll find out right now.
Okay.
Probably like 13 to 15.
Yeah.
Just that.
This thing's too fast. I don't think this is no street. I mean, it's still a street car. Like you can drive it.
Yeah.
But putting that power down, I don't know. It's a little wild right there. Oh shit, that shit don't play. I don't know if it needs much more, to be honest.
Nah,
I mean, I wouldn't push it like. Oh, you hear the whine a little bit?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it feels good.
I think Shelby will kill me before the coronavirus, baby. Oh my god. Dude, it feels like lightning speed. Oh my god.
Fast as like 180.
It don't even feel like that. You're just going, man.
Usually I stop at 160, but I'm like, you know what?
The drivability is perfect. Nothing, don't feel like a race car. You can daily the shit out of it. Box for sure. So we don't overheat or nothing like that. don't think it needs much more. Like 11's all over the place now. I know. See, this is the power I want in my life. That's like, when the power starts to scare you, I feel like that's when you know it's enough. You're satisfied for now?
Yeah, for sure, I'm good.
For now, but who knows? Knowing you, I feel like first you need a grip before anything.
I think I'm out of gas.
Oh, you're out of gas? You're fucking, you have no gas. Don't fucking strain it. Yeah, you're out. It's running out of fuel. You ran out of E85. Hey, we found your problem though.
What was the problem?
Your intake fell off.
Oh shit, it was the
filter.
Oh, fuck.
That's why I was stalling, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Too much power.
Keep that shit. Keep it for memories.